What's good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be heading to this car meet. This will be a lot of cars there, but I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright guys, just pull up to a little car meet. There's a ton of cars all over the place. I start walking around, taking a look at some of the cars, see what they got. Definitely getting one of these after I pay off my car. Definitely want one of these in a manual. If I get at least 500 horsepower without the clutch going out or slipping, I'll be happy with it. These cars are very fast when you tune them, but I don't need it too crazy. Nice clean Type R. Probably one of my favorites Type R right now.
I've never seen that guy much anywhere. Any hour.
GCs and 50s. Damn, this one got a Whipple on it. Got two Cobras. Rare to see these. Another MK5 Supra.
The black hood over there with
and then they got a brand new BMW M2. I'm not really a fan of the front. It might grow on me a little bit, but just looks too flat in the front. Just too flat, but I like the rear. The rear definitely look good to me. But I can't see me getting one of these. Maybe a G80, but not an M2. Got the older M2. Of a GTR. We're ready to see some R35s on the street. Got a Hellcat Challenger, an older one. I wonder if this one's manual. Some of these older ones can be manual. Got red interior just like my car. Nope. It's a regular Hellcat. The automatic. 720. It's a nice color. Almost like a Miami blue.
See, look.
This is crazy. And then you got this crazy BMW. I hear this just idling is loud. Got a couple stuff done to it. They like changed the whole entire engine out of it. Got the older BMW. I think this might be an E90 if I'm not mistaken. It is nice inside. Lexus over there. Still want to get the RCF. Got two of the new Lotus. I think it's Emperor. You just came out. I think these are either, yeah, V6 supercharged. Which is crazy. I would never think these Lotus are V6s. But definitely good. These new Lotus definitely give off exotic car look, but clean, not too aggressive like the older one. Got a smoke so scat pat. Dang, this is a crazy color on the Charger. Man, did this Charger good. The master of the chrome orange wheels. Even got the decals on the diffuser. Even the rivets look kind of like orange. Swap out of the little Miata. Oh, this is a Mazda engine. Almost look like a 2JZ engine. I ain't know the Miata engine would kind of look like that. Little old school Lotus. Jaguar. Old school Dodge Roadrunner. Crazy to see one of these.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's a little Roadrunner cartoon.
Black is my last choice.
These are super rare. I don't even want to imagine how much these joints go for.
I saw that car.
Let's go Camaro. They got a GC350R. Definitely don't see too many of these. You say they're GC50s. Yeah, those definitely not the R's.
She Bohemian.
One day, man, I'm gonna be here with the Supra. Oh yeah, I heard this one coming down the street. That one car meet. Got the arm speed. I think that's probably a top loudest intakes for the Supras. Definitely heard the turbo spooling. The last car meet I went to with this one pulling up. Got a little C8.
Point. How much was your hood?
And we got Supra. That's probably not one to be messed with. We got a big little drag. Weld wheels. Damn, you got all this carbon in it. It's a nice color on the Porsche. Oh, G35. Seeing this blue. This blue is a nice blue too on these BMWs. Little Fox body. Trying to tell my dad to get his car back up. He got a little Fox body in the garage. Keep telling him, hey, we need to fix it up so it can be driven. He used to be racing it all through the island. Got engine work done to it. Hopefully this year or next year we can get it back and running, and hopefully he probably give it to me. A little chalk white, a little dark gray Porsche. AMG Mercedes. Damn, this Porsche is slammed. Yep. Definitely probably rare to see a damn slam Porsche probably on bag. Crazy how they just put this engine in this tight little space. R32. Right hand drive. It's a nice clean ass 2000. It's the first time I've seen a green Porsche. These are two nice colors. And you got the older Lotus, which looks aggressive. I did see one at Honda Day that somebody took out the engine and put a Honda built engine into it. It sounds nice. Which is crazy. Somebody just took the engine out of it and just said, yeah, we're just gonna put a Honda engine in it. Old Viper. I think this is probably like a Gen 2. Look like somebody put a 2JZ in a G86 or BRZ. Just crazy. Got a small little turbo. Probably have this car wide body soon. It's gonna be a crazy build. This joint definitely probably gonna take somebody on the street. You got Toyos and everything on it. And then you got like a maroon GTR. Rare to see it like a red one. It's a nice clean GTR. It seems like he didn't do nothing to it. Chrysler 300C. This is the first time I've seen one. I've seen a black one driving around at probably Hemi Muscle. But the interior look nice. I know it's probably a little bit just like the same as the other Chrysler 300s a little bit. But just put the 392 engine Scott Pack engine in it. Has some nice Corrado wheels on it. Mark 7. Interior look clean for how old this car is. They're out here chatting properly. Alright guys, I just got back home from the big car meet. I had a lot of nice cars that came out and sold out. But this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what was the favorite car that you've seen. But I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.